so excited. I'm Henry, he's Ian, we're Bosh, we've got news.
We've got big, exciting news, but before we tell you, look where we are.
If you haven't guessed yet, you will have guessed it by now, hopefully. Yes, we're making a TV show, a vegan cooking show.
Yeah, it's going to be airing in the UK. It's going to be on ITV1, 9:30 AM on Sunday morning for 10 episodes.
We're so excited, honestly. We've been working on this. We wanted to tell you all, but we couldn't, but now we can. This is such a good moment, not just for us, but for vegan food and veggie food in general.
As you know already, we set Bosh up to take vegan mainstream, and this is another marker in time for us and the vegan movement as a whole.
So if you like our recipes, if you like cooking Bosh food, you're gonna get all the recipes that you love, but in this beautiful new format with an incredible film crew, director, producer, everybody purely making Bosh recipes look amazing.
Oh, it's so cool. Honestly, we are super chuffed. And thank you for watching, and hopefully you'll tune in too.
See you later.